Good morning, dear children. How are all of you today? I am very happy to see all of you again. Dear ones, today we are going to discuss something very interesting from your grammar lessons. Yes, today's topic is some ly words. The 16th chapter, some ly words or adverbs. Here is an interesting, a very beautiful picture for you. All of you just look at the screen. Here is a beautiful picture for you. Just look at the picture closely. What do you see in the picture? And the day is very pleasant and bright. How do we know that? Because the sun shines brightly, right? There is a bird sitting on the branch of a tree and singing beautifully, melodiously. The bird is singing sweetly, right? Are you able to see all these pictures on your screen? Yes. And we could see some children, small children, they were having balloons and they were laughing loudly and they were playing happily. Don't you think that those children are very happy? Yes, they are very happy. They are playing with their friends in the park happily. And do you know, some kids, two boys, they were running quickly, right? I think they were playing something. They are friends and they are playing, right? I think the second one who was carrying a bag, he was trying to catch the first one who is running faster than him. So the boys are running quickly, right? Yes. Children, I have written some sentences over here. Okay, some action words that we have seen in the previous picture. Okay, let me go through the sentences given here. The sun shines brightly. The children are playing happily. The boys are running quickly. A bird is singing sweetly. Okay. First, let's find out the verbs of or action words of each and every sentence. First one, the sun shines brightly. Which is the action word or which is the verb here? Yes, shines. Verb. How does the sun shine? The sun shines brightly. Second one. Children are playing happily. How are the children playing happily? What are the children doing? They are playing. Playing is the verb. Right? Let me write V here. V stands for verb. Third one, the boys are running quickly. What are the boys doing in the park? The boys are running. Correct? Running is the verb. We know this. A bird is singing sweetly. How is the bird singing? Sweetly. What's the bird doing there? The bird is singing. Okay? Yes. These are the verbs. We have found out the verbs of these sentences. Now, next question is, how are these actions happening or happened there? Let's see. How does the sun shine? The sun shines brightly. Look at the word carefully. Second one, the children are playing. How are they playing? Happily. Again, how are the boys running? Quickly. How is the bird singing? Sweetly. Children, you must have noticed all these four words end with two letters. L-Y. Am I right? Brightly, happily, quickly. quickly, sweetly. These words which end with ly are called adverbs. They are adverbs. Adverbs are the words end with ly. And what is the function of an adverb? An adverb gives you an extra information about the action being happened in a sentence. How are the boys running quickly? How is the bird singing sweetly? How does the sun shine brightly, etc. Adverbs modify or change or add more meaning, extra meaning to a verb. Hence, it's called adverb. Adding more information to a verb is called an adverb. Today's topic is adverbs. Now it's time to discuss what are the keys or what are the tips to identify an adverb. See, here is a sentence for you. The boys are running slowly. How do we identify or recognize the adverb from this sentence? Okay, first and foremost point is, if you get a sentence like this, try to find out the verb, the action word mentioned over here. Which is the action word here? What are the boys doing? The boys are running, hence it's a verb. You know, running is the verb here. This is the first point. In a sentence, first find out the verb. Then ask the question, how? You ask the question to yourself, how? How are the boys running? You will get the answer, the adverb. How are the boys running? The boys are running slowly. Okay, this is the second tip. Third tip is adverbs usually end with ly. Okay, these are the three criteria or three tips or keys to recognize an adverb. First one, find out the action word or verb. Ask the question, how? How did the action happen? Okay, how the action has been done, right? How are the boys running? You will get the answer, which is the adverb. Adverb slowly gives an additional information about the verb. How that action happened slowly. They were not running quickly. They were running slowly. Right? Third point is adverbs usually end with the letters ly. Dear children, as we discussed, adverbs are the words which give an extra information or extra knowledge or additional information about a verb. Adverbs usually end with ly. Hence, they are called ly words. Right? Here is a description for you. This is the definition of the word adverb. Here we have the definition of the word adverbs. Adverbs describe how the actions are being done. All these words end with ly. See, let's look at this sentence. The old man was walking slowly. How was the old man walking? The old man was walking slowly. See, as this definition indicates, adverbs describe how an action is happened or how an action is being done. right? So how do we find out an adverb? First find out the verb. Walking is the verb here. How was the old man walking? The answer is the adverb. The old man was walking slowly. So we have got an additional information about the verb walking. How was the old man walking? Slowly, not quickly, right? Yeah. Some examples are here. Let's try to frame the adverbs using the given words by adding ly. Neat, loving, careful, sad, loud, soft and slow. Look at the board. Neat plus ly. We get the adverb neatly. Neatly is the adverb as it ends with ly. The boy writes his homework neatly. Loving, adding ly. Lovingly. The mother was talking her baby lovingly. ly. Okay, it's an adverb. Again, careful. Careful plus ly. Carefully. The driver was driving the car carefully. How was the driver driving the car? The driver was driving the car carefully. Carefully is the adverb there. Okay, it has given an additional information about the verb. Hence, it is called adverb. Okay, yes. Sad plus ly. Sadly. The child was sitting in the room sadly as he had lost his favorite storybook. Okay, yes. Slow. Slowly. The tortoise was moving slowly. Slowly. The tortoise was moving slowly. Soft plus ly. Softly. Mother was talking to her child softly. Soft plus ly. Softly. Now loud plus ly. The students are laughing loudly. Okay, so these are a set of adverbs which are used in common in language. So how are the adverbs framed? Normally, adverbs are framed by adding the letters ly to it. See, slowly, loudly, softly, neatly, lovingly, carefully and sadly. Dear children, here is a very simple activity for you on adverbs. Match the following. There are two columns, column A and B. Let me read the first column for you. James waited. Naveen, you can complete. The teacher scolded. He plays. In column B, writes his notes neatly. The students angrily. The guitar nicely. Anxiously for his exam results. This assignment easily. Here we are going to match each phrase with appropriate options. Okay, let's try to do that. First one is James waited. What would be the answer? James waited anxiously for his exam results. Okay, this is the answer. Got it? Yeah. Next one, Naveen writes his notes neatly. Fine. Third one. You can complete this assignment easily. Done? Fourth one. The teacher scolded the students angrily. Right? He plays the guitar nicely. We have got all the answers. Now let's discuss the adverbs used here. Which are the adverbs used in these 5 sentences? First one, neatly. Neat plus ly, neatly. What is the second one, children? Angrily. Angry, angry plus ly. Angrily, angry. Y is replaced with I in angrily. Third one is nicely, nice plus ly. Next one, anxiously, anxious plus ly, right? The last one is easily. The word is easy, E-A-S-Y. When we add ly, y is replaced by I. Hence the spelling of easily is E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily. So let's read the adverbs used here one more time. What are the adverbs used here? Neatly, angrily, nicely, anxiously and easily. Students, here is the mind map of the lesson, adverbs. Adverbs modify the meaning of a verb, or adverbs describe how an action is being done. Adverbs usually end with ly. Here are some examples for you. Clearly, wisely, sweetly, badly, etc. You know, there are various types of adverbs. But now in grade 2 we are not going to learn about the types of adverbs that you will learn in the higher grades. But I would like to introduce you some of the types of adverbs that we use in the language. The first one is adverbs of frequency. How frequently an action happened. Twice. I visited the temple twice a week. Okay, so action happened twice, 2 times a week. Twice, often, once, etc. It indicates how often or how frequently an action happens. Second one, adverbs of place. Here, up, away, out, etc. The boy ran out of the class. Okay, where did he run? Where did he run? He ran out of the class. Okay, yes. Adverbs of time indicates time. At what time the action happened. Now, we are going to talk about adverbs now, right now. Indicates the time in which the action has happened or action completed, happened already. Okay, now, ago, past tense, lately, soon. The meeting is going to start very soon. Okay, immediate future. It indicates the time in which the action has happened or the action completed in past time or the action is going to happen in the immediate future. Okay, next, adverbs of manner. Clearly, soundly, bravely, etc. How did the action happen? The speaker was speaking loudly. The boy had written his homework neatly. Okay, manner of the action. How did the action happen? The soldiers fought bravely. How did the soldiers fight? They fought bravely. How did the action happen? Shows the manner of an action. Dear children, these are some of the adverbs which are used in language. Adverbs of time, place, manner, frequency, etc. You will be having a detailed study of these kinds of adverbs in your higher grades. For the time being, bear in mind, adverbs are the words which give extra information, additional information of a verb. They end with the letters ly. Okay, you need to bear in mind these 2 points. Children, here is an activity for you. Complete the sentences using appropriate ly words, using appropriate adverbs. Let me read the questions for you. The first one, he dash asked for a piece of cake. In bracket, the given word is polite. You need to add ly to it to frame an adverb of the word polite. Okay. Second one is, the snail moved dash across the sand. In brackets, slow. Slow plus ly. You will get the adverb of the word slow. Third one, the fire engine blew its horn dash in bracket loud. Loud plus ly. Next one, in the library we walked in bracket quiet. Quiet plus ly. The last question is, the girls giggled in bracket noise. Noise plus ly. All of you try to find out the answers over here. Here are the answers for you. Politely, polite plus ly. Politely is the adverb, ends with ly. He asked for a piece of cake. How did he ask for a piece of cake? Politely. Okay? Yes. Next one, slowly. The snail moved across the sand. How did the snail move across the sand? Slowly. ly. Next, loudly. The fire engine blew its horn loudly. How did the fire engine blow its horn? Loudly. ly. Next one, in the library we walked quietly. Quiet plus ly. How did we walk in the library? We walked quietly. Okay. The last one is, the girls giggled noisily. Look at the spelling. There is a slight difference in spelling. While the word noise is changed into its adverb by adding ly. The spelling of noise is N-O-I-S-E. When it is transformed into the adverb form by adding ly, E is converted, replaced with I. Okay, then ly. N-O-I-S-I-L-Y. E is replaced with I. Noisely. So these are the adverbs used here to get additional information about the actions which are being referred to here. Dear children, here is a home assignment for you. Let's take your textbook, Tune into Grammar, page number 95. Main B. Write an ly word for each of these actions. one has been done for you, you may use the words from the box. You must have seen on in a yellow color screen, a box, some words are given there, ly words, adverbs are given there. You can use these words to fill in the blanks given there. 8 questions are given there. First one I will read for you. First question, speak. Okay, we can take the adverb softly from the box. So, it should be speak softly. One more example, sing, S-I-N-G, sing. Okay, we can take sing beautifully. We can write sing beautifully. In the same way, find out the appropriate ly words or adverbs. From the box given here, you can use those suitable adverbs to fill in the blanks. Here is the home assignment for you. We will be discussing all these answers in the next online session. Till then, thank you for watching this video. After watching the video, please do read the textbook. Your chapter is 16th chapter, some ly words or adverbs. Please go through the chapter thoroughly. Try to understand the chapter and try to understand the structure of the sentences given there, the adverbs which are highlighted over there. Okay, dear ones, let's meet in the next class. All of you take care. God bless you. Thank you so much.